A to Z Social Studies Class 8.
Chapter 13. Dynamics of Population. Population size, age groups, and how they change over time affect education, employment, healthcare, housing, and economic growth. Countries differ in population growth due to births, deaths, and migration. Some grow rapidly, others slowly or decline. Understanding these trends helps governments plan resources and manage development effectively. Demography is the study of human populations, their size, structure, and composition, and how these change over time. Demographers study population size, age distribution, birth and death rates, migration patterns, and social characteristics like education and occupation. This helps understand how societies grow, decline, and change over time. World population grew from 2.5 billion, 1950, to over 8 billion today, mainly due to healthcare, sanitation, and food production improvements. In 2023, India overtook China as the world's most populous country, with about 17% of global population. Growth varies globally. Japan and Italy have aging populations, while many African nations grow rapidly. Asia holds the largest population share. Three main factors determine population change: birth rate, death, mortality rate, and migration. These explain how population grows, declines, or changes composition over time. Understanding them helps governments plan for education, jobs, housing, and healthcare needs. Birth rate is the number of babies born per 1,000 people yearly. Fertility rate is the average children a woman has in her lifetime. The replacement rate, 2.1 children, woman, keeps population stable. Higher fertility grows population, lower fertility causes decline. Education, healthcare access, urbanization, and cultural attitudes influence fertility rates. Many developed nations now have below replacement rates. Mortality rate is deaths per 1,000 people yearly. Improvements in healthcare, vaccines, sanitation, and nutrition have reduced death rates worldwide, allowing populations to grow as people live longer. Migration is the movement of people from one place to another, within or across countries. It affects population distribution and changes urban and rural population patterns. India's demographic dividend. A demographic dividend occurs when the working age population, 15 to 59 years, exceeds dependents, children and elderly, boosting economic productivity. India has a young population, median age 28, compared to Japan, 50, Italy, 48, Germany, 47, China, 40, and USA, 39. This is a limited window of opportunity. The advantage requires investment in education, skills, healthcare, and jobs, and fades as the population ages. Challenges of an aging population. Countries like Japan and Italy face higher healthcare costs, pension expenses, and labor shortages due to aging. Within India, states like Kerala and Tamil Nadu are aging, while Bihar and UP remain young, requiring region-specific policies. Key terms. 1. Population. Total people in an area. 2. Demography. Study of population characteristics, change. 3. Birth rate. Births per 1,000 people per year. 4. Fertility rate. Average children per woman 5. Replacement rate. Fertility needed for stable population. 6. Mortality rate. Deaths per 1,000 people per year. 7. Migration. Movement of people between places. 8. Population pyramid, age-gender structure diagram. 9. Sex ratio. Females per 1,000 males. 10. Demographic dividend, economic advantage of large working-age population. 11. Demographic transition, process of changing birth, death rates as countries develop.